how to set the date and timestamp on the Sony DSC-W220. All right, so we're gonna locate the menu button, which is here. This menu button takes you into the main menu for getting to the clock settings. So, okay, once you're in the menu, you wanna use this button here to move along to where you're gonna find the clock settings. So you're gonna find it all the way at the very end. So what you're looking for is this settings little toolbox there, and then you're just going to scroll down. I already have it on the clock settings, and then what you're going to do is you're going to push this button right there. Okay, and that's going to go into the clock settings. Okay, I already have it set to where I need it to be, and then we're going to go into the main menu. So let's say that you were not, the time and date was wrong. So what you want to do for me, I'm going to go to month, day, year. That's what MD and Y stand for. We're gonna hit enter on that, or the middle button there. And now you can maneuver back and forth depending on your months. Scroll to the day, and then you're gonna scroll to the year. And here is your time. Okay, so you scroll down. And then for the time, if it was PM, you're just gonna keep moving this up until it goes to the PM, or down, depending on what your needs are right there. And once you're all set, you're just gonna hit OK. And now you're set. Okay, so now let's come out of the menu, and then we're going to take a quick picture. Okay, now that we take our picture, if we go back and view it, we're going to notice that there is the correct date and then time. And that's pretty much it. Hey, if you found this useful, leave a comment. Let me know if it was useful to you, if you got more questions about this camera. If you're interested in looking at another video on how to use this camera for a webcam, check out this video right here. I'll see you in the next one.